Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking the objective, awareness, leads, or sales, and pick one KPI to measure. This focuses spend and creative. Next, choose the ad format, 6-second bumper for reach, 15-30-second skippable for storytelling, or longer for depth. Once chosen, gather assets, the main 16:9 edit, a vertical crop, thumbnail, caption file, and a 3-5 word hook for the first 3 seconds. Make sure budgets and target audiences are roughly set before you move to account setup. Once your assets are ready, open Google Ads and create a video campaign. Pick bidding, CPV for views or CPM for reach, then set daily or total budget. Build ad groups by audience segments, custom intent keywords, affinity cohorts, and remarketing lists. This lets you test who responds. Upload each creative variation and map headline, description, and CTA to match the landing page. Make sure to schedule start and end dates. Enable tracking templates and link analytics so you capture conversions. You finish by monitoring performance daily for the first week. Watch view rate, CTR, CPA, and conversions. Then make data-driven moves. Pause poor performers and increase bids on winning ad groups. Once done, run a /B tests for thumbnails, first 3-second hooks, and CTAs to improve engagement. If conversions are 0, check tracking pixels, confirm landing page load speed, remove overlapping audiences, and reduce ad frequency. These fixes usually resolve issues. Finally, set automated rules to scale budget for consistent winners.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.